How to transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Google Authenticator on your first phone and simply just log in using your Face ID or any passcode that you have. And you'll be able to see a cloud icon right next to your profile. So once you click on that, it says your codes are being saved to your Google account. So now whenever you log in using the same Google account in any other Google Authenticator on any other device, you'll be able to see the same codes listed over there. You don't need to add them there manually. So you gotta check your Google account that you have added over here. And then you're going to go to the new device, install Google Authenticator over there, and then sign in using the same device that you had on the first one. So once you have that, they're going to ask you whether you want to use the same codes that you have on your Google account. Simply confirm that, and you'll be able to see the same codes listed over there as well. So that is how you can transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.